Hi, I'm Todd.
And I'm Diane, and we're going to talk about why we love reheating and refreshing our food inside the Thermador steam oven. We really love using the Thermador steam oven practically every day when we're reheating or refreshing our food. Reheating food inside the steam oven is so amazing because it doesn't dry out the food, it brings moisture back to the food, and it retains the color and the texture. It just tastes better. The steam oven has a really great preheat function that is quick and easy to use, and it is all set for you when you're ready to reheat or refresh any leftover meals. The time and temperature of the reheat cycle ensures that the food is just reheated, not further cooked. You don't have to worry about the cleanup because the food never pops like it would in a normal microwave.
When we reheat steaks, we love to use the broil function in the steam oven. Crisps up the outside nicely, heats it through without overcooking. Perfect. The broil mode is great when you want a nice crusty sear on meats, like steaks. Broiling time for your steaks will vary depending on how thick they are, how you like them done, how cold they are. 5 minutes is a good starting point.
When you order takeout or delivery, refreshing the food in the steam oven is perfect. And when it comes to pizza, it's even better. Because when you order the pizza, sometimes by the time it gets home or by the time the delivery guy brings it to you, it's not perfectly hot like it would be. It's never the same. Yeah, like it would be in the restaurant or the pizza parlor. So when it comes to reheating pizza or any type of breads where we still want the bottom crust to be crispy, we'll use the perforated sheet pan. And it's perfect because the heat will circulate through the holes into the food and make it crispy all around. The time for refreshing pizza varies because you can be refreshing a couple slices or a whole pizza. All right, program is complete.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Look how amazing it is. Ooh, look at the cheese. Look at this. The crust is crispy.
Crispy.
The cheese and everything is refreshed.
Melty.
Melty, perfect. Hot, make sure you let it cool off. Okay, I got it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Some takeout meals like certain pastas or noodles or delicate seafoods only really take about 5 to maybe 10 minutes. So keep checking and pull out the food when it's to your preferred texture and when it's heated through. We're reheating burgers and they're fantastic in the steam oven. Thermador has some great pans that you can use. They have the perforated and the non-perforated and in different sizes. So we'll use the non-perforated pan for the burgers, and what we'll do is we like to separate the burgers from the meat.
So we'll take off the things that you don't want to cook, your tomato, your lettuce, so it doesn't get reheated. So we'll put the burger patties in the non-perforated so the juices stay contained.
And we'll broil these because we want them to have a nice sear on top. And then in the perforated pan, we love sweet potato fries, so when we order sweet potato fries, they always need a quick little refresh as well. We're gonna put those in the perforated side. And these will cook a little quicker than the patties, so we'll have them in, like I said, the separate pan. We'll also put the bun in too. And depending on the size of your bun, sometimes it will heat up quicker, so you just keep checking often. And then if your buns are done, just pull the buns out before the fries are done. We'll put the fries and the buns in during the same time with the meat, but the fries and the buns are going to be cooked quicker. So we'll check on those sooner and take them out earlier. And if you're doing sliders, it's going to be a lot quicker, but we suggest always keep checking to make sure that it's to your preferred doneness and texture. Make sure you don't walk away from the oven because it refreshes and crisps so quick. You stand there and just hang out and double check.